Hey everyone, it's Black Friday time, and you know what that means, amazing deals. Today, I'm sharing some incredible finds for your home, your pets, and yourself. Get ready to shop till you drop. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my Black Friday finds. Plus, stick around until the end of the video to learn how you can score some amazing gifts for free this Black Friday. You won't want to miss this.
First up,
This adorable side table is not only functional but also a work of art. It's perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to any room. And it's only $14.60. It's a steal. Relax in style with this comfortable rocking chair. It's perfect for your bedroom, patio, or even your garden. And with its sturdy steel frame and high-quality rattan, it's built to last. At 72% off, you can't afford to miss this deal. Grooming your furry friend just got easier with this 3-in-1 dryer and comb. It dries, detangles, and removes loose hair all at once. Plus, it's quiet and won't scare your pet. At only $12, it's a must-have for any pet owner. Organize your home with this multifunctional storage rack. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, garage, or anywhere you need extra storage. And with its sturdy construction and rolling wheels, it's built to last. Get it now for $9.79. Keep your pets fed and hydrated with this automatic feeder and water dispenser combo. It's perfect for busy pet owners or for when you're away from home. And at only $6, it's an incredible value. Make delicious smoothies and juices on the go with this portable mini blender. It's perfect for travel, camping, or just for a quick healthy snack. And at 83% off, it's a steal. This Black Friday, grab this awesome handheld game emulator for just $34 and unlock a world of classic gaming fun. It comes preloaded with tons of your favorite games from iconic consoles like PSP, PS1, Nintendo, and more. With its surprisingly sharp screen and long-lasting battery, you can game on the go for hours. It's the perfect gift for gamers of all ages. This Black Friday, say goodbye to dead battery anxiety with this powerful car jump starter for just $60. With up to 40 jump starts on a single charge, built-in safety features, and the ability to charge your devices, it's the ultimate roadside companion. Don't hit the road without it. This Black Friday, invest $75 in a professional-grade carbon steel fry pan that will revolutionize your cooking. Sear, fry, bake, this versatile pan does it all. Its natural non-stick surface gets better with time, and its durable construction is built to last. Make this pan your kitchen essential for years to come. Upgrade your style with Kato's Black Friday collection. Timeless designs, premium quality, and unbeatable comfort, all up to 50% off. These pieces are built to last and will instantly elevate your wardrobe. Shop now and give the gift of effortless style. These handcrafted Truman boots are a timeless addition to any wardrobe. Get 20% off this Black Friday and invest in a pair of boots that are so stylish as they are durable. Made with premium materials, these boots are built to last and will only look better with age. Dress them up or down, they're perfect for any occasion. There you have it, 11 amazing Black Friday deals that you don't want to miss. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the video description for links to all these products and more. Don't forget to head over to snagshout.com where you can find amazing products just like these for absolutely free. Get all the best deals this Black Friday by snagging your favorite products. Happy snagging!